number one question, bakit ba ang ganda-ganda ng Pilipinas, pero ang pinupuntahan is Thailand? Di ba? Common
Yeah,
question natin.
yeah.
Sasagutin ko na.
Masasabi mo ngayon na parang trends in terms of traveling. Ngayon, 2025, di ba? Especially after the pandemic. Ano yung mga parang feeling mo mga Pinoy talagang Gina puntahan or anything that you can
Okay.
share?
Locally muna tayo.
Okay, locally.
Malaking bagay ang social media. We all know sa travel. Kasi yung mga dating, okay lang, nabibigyan ng extra meaning and story ng storya, di ba? So, Zamba Su.
Yes.
Zambasu is one, pero Zambasuta is also another one. So that's Zamboanga,
Basilan.
Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi.
Okay.
So these are places na hindi pa super sikat, pero gaining traction already. Watch out for that. Syempre, Batanes is there. Ang problema lang is mahal.
Yes, that's true.
Oo, di ba? Lahat tayo nagsasabi, bakit mas mahal pa pumunta sa Pilipinas kaysa sa mga Asian
Taiwan,
countries
oh.
or Vietnam, di
Yes,
ba?
yes.
So, but Batanes is also for me, big treasure yan at dapat puntahan. Kasi ang Batanes, walang mall, bawal. Bawal ang mga, walang fast food chain. Original state.
I love that.
Very beautiful, siguro kung ano naramdaman mo sa Bali, mararamdaman mo rin sa Batanes.
You know, when I was much, much younger, like mga around the time that we were, working, Batanes was my ideal place.
Go to, oo.
I even said I wanted to get married there. And then for some reason, I kind of forgot, and I've
balikan
never
natin.
been there. Yun na nga, I've never been there. I've been to many different places. Paulit-ulit na nga, pabalik-balik ka. But I never got the chance to go to Batanes. So, I guess siguro goal ko yan. Soon, mag-Batanes.
Go, yes. You have to go January. February, para malamig.
Oh.
Kasi pag mainit talaga.
Sa Batanes.
Oo. But those are the good months to go, January, February.
Have you been to Zambasuta?
I've been to Basilan. Zamboanga.
Zamboanga is okay naman.
Yeah,
kasi,
actually, maraming flights to Zamboanga.
yes,
Mura
yes.
pa.
Pero yung mga Tawi-Tawi, Sulu, parang...
Not yet. Pupuntahan pa lang. Pero Basilan, yes. So, it was I did also a travel show during the pandemic with sina... Baka kilala mo na rin.
Sino?
Kilala mo, naiwan sa... Kasama rin natin during the days of shooting Go Negosyo. Balik ako, mamaya, pag naalala ko yung name. Anyways, Basilan...
Luandi?
No, hindi host.
Okay.
Okay. So, anyways, Basilan is actually complete opposite of what it has been marketed. Nagera, patayan, ganyan. Complete for me, That's my impression when I went there. Kasi the mayor is Catholic. You have people from Cebu flying in there and choosing to live there.
Oh.
You have the marriages na magkaiba ng relihiyon. So very mixed ang Basilan. Hindi siya parang how we think of it na magulo or what, no? It's just that merong army camp sa Zamboanga. So obviously may mga umaaligid because nandun yung camp nila, parang Camp Aguinaldo. And because of what happened in previous many years back until it got branded. Nakakatawa kasi when I went to Basilan, be safe, diba? But now medyo hindi na ganon. Medyo mas aware na yung mga tao. And then yung sa Zamboanga naman, nakasakay ako ng Vinta.
I love it!
Diba sa Hekasi? Sa
lumalabas ang edad natin dito.
Hekasi, Civica pa yun, diba?
Civica at Kultura.
Nakikita mo lang siya. And then you learn na, it's still here. Meron talagang mga Vintas. So, I think ito locally are worth visiting more on the Mindanao side kasi siya yung less explored
Ito, parang kumbaga, places to watch out for.
Watch out for, and I'm inviting you guys to do it.
Shit, I wanna go.
Kasi hindi naman pwede. Remember, to begin with, Filipinos prior to being colonized, we were actually Muslims.
Yeah, that's
Or,
true.
sorry, if not Muslims,
Pagans.
Pagans.
I think I probably was pagan.
Yeah,
pagan.
oo. So, and for someone like me na I grew up in a Catholic all-girls school, pero I actually am agnostic. Like, you believe in God, you believe in Allah,
Right,
you believe in
right.
it doesn't matter to me. Bordering, lalay na nga yata ako ng atheist But, I just beautiful to witness this na, we have this sa bansa natin. the Muslims in our country are so rich in culture.
That's true.
Grabe. Not just with food, not just with the arts, yung mga weaves natin. Ibang klase. Alam mo, natutunan ko pa sa labas na yung salita nating salamat is actually Muslim. Salamat. Salamat. Nagulat ako.
Or
Do you know-
salamat datang, mga
Oh,
ganyan.
kasi yung salamat is many peace. Hindi maraming pieces. Yung many
Yes,
peace be
yes,
with
yes.
you. So, meron talaga tayong history ng Muslim
That's true.
world.
Definitely.
Oh. So, I believe that more visits to Mindanao will create more demand, obviously, and they will continue to grow and improve rin yung mga locations nila, yung ano nila. Pero ngayon pa lang, people are already seeing and visiting it. Hindi lang Davao, kasi syempre Davao
Davao
given
is
na yan.
Davao.
Oo.
Pero when you go ba to Mindanao, and of course for some, I mean, I've been to Mindanao, but
Oo.
just like the major cities, right? I haven't
Oo.
been to Zamboanga, I
Oo.
haven't been to Basilan,
Oo.
ganyan. Would you still, back in the day, you would need some like escorts eh. Like, ano
Well, they
tawag
say
nito?
like, if you visit Tawi-Tawi, it's nice to work with an accredited travel agent or may ganun talaga, may plug. Or to just inform at least the tourism office. I think it's more also not just for security, but out of respect because you're going there as an observer, as a, 'di ba? Parang when you visit these places, ang binibisita naman doon hindi naman shopping mall. Ang binibisita is yung pamamaraan ng pamumuhay nila. So it's like tayo yung nag-i-intrude within their lifestyle or their lives, no? So it's good to always still advise. And work with a partner agent or a partner, even the local agents there.
Right,
Marami na
right,
rin
right.
sila eh. They're really promoting it. So that's one for local.
But like what I know is like even before pa mag-open to, kumbaga before
Oo.
mag-open yung
Or makilala through social
yes,
media.
yes.
Oo.
But what they're saying is that, oh my God, pag once mag-open tong mga to, patay kayo sa beaches nito. Kasi sobrang hindi
Oh
talaga
my
siya
gosh.
na, ano tawag doon?
Untouched.
Yes,
Virgin.
yes. Sana all virgin.
Like me.
Wow!
My ears.
Okay. Alam na kasi anak mo eh.
Hindi, virgin ears.
Okay.
Oh, wala po
Oh yeah,
yan.
wala ka pala
Wala akong
butas.
wala akong,
Yes.
wala akong butas. Wala akong butas sa tenga. Okay? Dati virgin ears and nose. Pero nag-pandemic. So, hindi na to virgin. Ito, virgin pa rin. Totoo yan. Okay. Anyways, going back to virgin beaches. Yes. Like Basilan has premium white beaches. I've heard is it Holo or Tawi-Tawi too, that they have these beaches. Even certain places in Cagayan. There's so many still na hindi pa na-explore. And I hope na dahan-dahan lang siya magbukas para
Yes.
tama yung pagka-expose sa kanya at
Yes.
maayos. Oo.
Yeah, kumbaga preserved pa din.
Oo, kasi people still actually get their food
yes,
still.
yes,
Talagang
yes.
pamumuhay nila, they live by the sea.
Yes,
Oh. So,
yes.
there should be a good balance and to do it the right way. Pero totoo yan, like patay kayo. Like,
Oo.
kaya sila happy doon. Oo, kasi they have it. Good seafood.
Are they happy? Like very happy there, like living there?
Oh, okay. I mean, di ba Davao pa lang, then you have Cagayan de Oro, all of these places, and then you move all the way back to Basilan nga, and all of these places na medyo people are still thinking twice, but there is a lot there. Like, there is a lot. Zamboanga na lang, it's a main hub. Super main hub yan. Kasi access point mo yan eh, para sa mga Tawi-Tawi, Holo, Basilan.
Correct. Pero pag kunyari, pupunta ka ba sa mga beaches nila, can you wear bikini? Or dapat, or hindi pwede?
Pwede
Dapat,
naman.
pwede
Okay
lang.
oo, pwede naman. Depends, I guess, kung anong beach ang pupuntahan mo kasi hindi rin naman lahat is public swimming beach. Yung
True.
iba talaga is really still untouched and bare.
Oh!
Oo, talagang untouched and bare. May pink sand po.
Sa
May pink
Zamboanga,
sand po
no?
sa Zamboanga.
I
Yes.
know, I
oo.
know.
So, tara na.
So that would be locally, right?
Okay.
How about internationally? Ano ang, kasi alam mo, ako talaga, really, my dream to go to Europe, but it's like, it's the visa and everything. So, parang ang hassle, you know what I mean? So,
Well, yun ang natin, visa, 'di ba?
Oo.
Being a third world country.
True.
But in truth naman, it's not that difficult. Like,
Bleh.
Yes, it's not that difficult. Well, ako, coming from, that's my industry, and
Yes,
trabaho
yes.
ko to, kami yung gumagawa, 'di ba? Ang point lang naman is patunayan mo na
Babalik
babalik ka. Oo. I don't know if aware kayo, like the whole Korea thing right now, kaya nahirapan with visa for some time is because maraming di bumalik.
Totoo, after nung
Nakakahiya.
pandemic. Pagbukas na pagbukas.
Oo, maraming, di ba? So
Yes,
parang,
very much
so
aware.
it's just that. But if you're talking about hot places, what's interesting now is that because of social media, ang laki talaga ng epekto ng social media, people are having a different take in going to certain places. So, kung before no mga 90s, okay, hindi pa kayo buhay noon, 90s, 'di ba, the big American dream. Complete
Yes.
opposite na, wala na 'yon. Minsan nga baliktad pa eh.
Yeah, nobody.
Nakakatakot na
Yes.
pumunta ng Amerika, 'di ba?
True.
So, now it's really shifting more to, yes, you have the European side, but even the direction back to Asia.
I love Asia. Can I just say,
Diba?
kasi I have some friends who
Vietnam,
migrated to
oo.
Canada,
Oo.
to Germany, mga barkada ko nasa
Oo.
Canada, nasa Germany, nasa New Zealand. So, para kaming
Oo.
since high school. And I would always tell them, sabi niya, saan tayo magka-travel if we're gonna go together? Ganyan. I would always tell them, guys, Asia is the way to go.
Yes.
I don't even know how to explain. If you don't want to go back to the Philippines, fine. Pero it's like Asia is
Bravo,
young. Diba? Asia is a
bravo.
young
Continent.
How do I say? Not even kasi syempre China, matatagal na naman sila. But it's a young energy eh.
Okay.
As opposed like, if you go to Europe,
Oo.
it feels very,
Dated.
if they're not they're not as like, alam mo yun?
ano yan?
Diba?
Ano yan?
They're not as ganyan
Namimiss ko
eh.
to, Kring.
Diba? Totoo ba ako?
Hindi, I don't get me wrong. I love exploring all these new
Of
places.
course.
Kasi if you really want, how do you say, bang for your buck, or really to imagine these people come and fly long haul to visit things in Asia, and we have the advantage kasi ang
Yes.
lalapit na.
Yes.
Vietnam pa lang, nagdagdag na ng mga direct flights to Da Nang. Di ba yung mga, these are the places na before di mo naririnig, alala mo lang Saigon or Ho Chi Minh or
Correct.
Hanoi.
Yes.
Ngayon, ang rami na. Meron
Yes.
pang kung ano-ano sa Vietnam na ine-explore. So, and it's so cheap, but the food is so good. And you really get to stretch not just your money, but your time there. Pwede ka
Yes.
mag 5 days.
Yes.
So, it's a safe, kahit naman sa China ngayon, it's tumataas na rin yung appreciation. May visa yun, ha? If you go online, grabe, because China is like the future.
That's
Right
true.
now, yung mga pay with your palm, yun yung mga
Yes.
inaano nila.
Yes, I heard about that.
They're showing you the future through traveling. So, true yan, na as much as we want to keep looking out, syempre may mga Greenland, Iceland, Svalbard, yung mga ganyan na mga names, na mga in Norway, diba, wherever, Finland, these are like super like dream destinations, Santa's Town, whatever. Iba pa rin ang vibe ng Asia. Imposibleng maubusan ka dito. Ang Pinoy pa nga lang, laging bumabalik sa Japan eh.
Yeah, true.
But ako nga, I try to, yes, I love Japan, my husband loves Japan, but I try to really make sure na there are other places na pwede pang ma-explore
Explore.
sa Asia.
So
Asia.
your recommendation would be Vietnam.
Well, right now, what's really hot? Kung hot ang pag-uusapan, Vietnam. Kaya nga
Okay.
nagdagdag ng flight yung mga airlines na.
Right.
Biglang may direct flight si PAL ng Da Nang, si Cebu Pacific, nagkaroon din, di ba?
Ah.
So parang, So that really shows you that there's a demand. Kasi
Right.
people are experiencing it na, yung 20,000 ko, pwede na ng ganon? Pwede na ako mag-weekend? Ang saya-saya ko na, kompleto na. Then, of course, you mentioned Bali. Kasi yan yung mga hindi isang lugar lang. Pwede ka in this side spiritual, in this side party side, in this side beach side, di ba?
Yes,
So,
yes.
meron siyang identity
Yes,
na
yes.
So, yun nga yung sinasabi ng mga foreigners kung bakit, number one question, bakit ba ang ganda-ganda ng Pilipinas, pero ang pinupuntahan is Thailand. Di ba?
Yeah,
Common question natin.
yeah.
Sasagutin ko na.
Sagutin mo nga,
Sagutin ko
please.
na. Masakit man sabihin, but it's because when they come to us, they feel like we're just them. Kumbaga, okay, another place na I can speak English. I can, parang,
It doesn't feel exotic enough like
I don't
that.
know if exotic's the right word kasi, but to be very straight to the point, parang ganon. Very authentic enough. Kasi pag pumunta kang Thailand, punta ka lang sa bookstore ng Thailand, talagang they really still Thai pa rin lahat, di ba?
Gets.
Very authentic yung meals, and then
Gets.
when you have pad Thai, you can go to the streets, di ba? Dito, wala nga tayong market na pwedeng dalhin ang mga turista eh.
Totoo yan.
As in, yung night market,
Totoo yan.
Like, dadalhin ko sila sa farmer's market para makita yung mga isda and all. Pero yung, dati ko pa yung pinopropose na dapat yung Baclaran gawing official night market katabi ng simbahan. Very unique. Oo.
Yeah.
Pero, wala tayong night market. Si Vietnam meron, si Thailand meron, si Cambodia
Taiwan,
meron,
napakadami.
maraming night market.
Yeah.
Every other, kahit Japan may market, di ba? So parang,
Yes.
so yung authenticity we've been promoting it as beaches, 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 beaches. So beautiful ang beaches natin, top notch.
Oh,
Top
best in
notch,
the world.
best in the world
best in the
talaga.
world.
But I guess that authenticity na, sino ka, ano ka.
Yeah, oh my God.
Oh.
That resonates so much with me kasi
Oh.
as someone who's in a multicultural household, there's always a discussion like,
Yes, sobrang multicultural. Nakachinelas ako. I love it kasi lumaki rin akong ganito, di ba? Na hindi pwede pumasok basta-basta na nakasapatos. Ni-reveal ko lang. Okay, go. Go ahead.
kasi parang like,
Hindi nyo maintindihan yan unless talagang, kinagisnan na.
yes,
Oo.
yes. Eh, ako rin naman, ganyan lang ako
Small
when I got
things,
married
oo,
with
oo.
him, di ba? But it's so easy for me to identify Korean culture. But Filipino culture, it's like, it's so hard for me to explain.
Ano ba? Kasi mix talaga. Well,
That's
you're
why,
colonized, diba?
that's
So,
why.
we have that Spanish side and we have the American side. So, yun lang. Yung identity, I
Yes.
think, is kulang. Kasi, pag sinabing punta ka Manila, sabihin nila, bakit? Mas maganda nga yung city ko eh.
Ano gagawin?
Oo, beaches. I have nothing against. I believe there's so much to do here. Yun nga yung trabaho ko. I promote the Philippines eh. But this
Right.
is what I hear
Yes.
from people.